Welcome to Sports Communications Topic 3. This is 3D Promotions Part 6, where we talk about brand. The team as brand, really useful thing to think about. If you think about the All Blacks, the brand is the team identity. It builds brand loyalty, and you need to think about atmospherics because a lot of brand is actually atmospherics. So thinking about the All Blacks, there's the name, the logo, the colour, the haka, and many other things as well, also national identity and things like that, which is strongly linked with sports teams and brands. So consider all those things though, the name, the logo, the colour, the haka, that helps build the brand. Equally consider atmospherics if we think about the Seminoles, which is the Florida Seminoles in the US. So also their name, so it's an Indian name, their logo, which you can see over on the right hand side of the screen, that's their logo. The colour is garnet and gold or dark red and gold, and they have a chant and the chop with the tomahawk, so equally as dramatic as the All Blacks for their fans and equally as recognisable. So what is a brand, or what is brand equity? So which basically means value in the brand. It's the added value that a brand name or a logo contributes to a product or a service, and you should be able to measure that in some ways, or think about how they rank alongside each other. So the idea of thinking about the value in Nike versus the value in Puma. It's added value beyond the product and the assets owned by the company. And the consumer awareness is a key thing here. So the conditions for brand equity is that the consumers have to be really aware of the brand. The consumer has to recognise what the brand is. They have to understand the vibe that the brand or the personality the brand's trying to convey and how it's unique. You have to have a positive and unique brand image in the consumer's mind in order to have brand equity. The idea is that brand development results in a strong emotional attitude towards the brand, and that should translate into action, so into attending the games, into buying merchandise, into getting involved in thinking the brand has value and passing that on. More loyalty will equal more fan action.